This is just the beginning of 21st century. This century should be century of dialogue. Successful dialogue, you must respect their interest, their right. Dialogue or non-violent method is the only method to solve any problem, family level or national level or global level. Differences must be solved through dialogue, through talk, compromise. That is the basis of meaningful dialogue. This is worship of spirit. So that's wrong. No. No.
He banned a specific Buddhist prayer that has deep tradition.
Many of the 100,000 exiled Tibetans living in India today used to worship Dorje Shugden, the deity which has now been banned.
If we choose Dorje Shugden, we are treated as outcasts.
We have no choice but to act against his words. I keep thinking, if only I were already dead. One can't simply wipe away devotion to this deity.
They destroyed everything.
An 84-year-old monk attacked in a hate crime against Dorje Shugden practitioners.
No single record about violence. Nobody harming on them.
Protests are scheduled throughout the weekend, and an international protest is already underway.
We have to kill 7 billion human beings. Same human being. So we need conviction or a sense of oneness. So open mind. So no matter what their attitude, but your side, they have no sense of concern of their well-being. So, when Jerusalem, 잡아 빼고야 빼. 기도 땅고야 는데 Jerusalem 잡아지는 땅에 총샷. 예수 열아요. 마오셔요. Compassion, tolerance, this really source of inner strength.
But the Dalai Lama is teaching on compassion, and the international Shugden community are protesting all day. Dalai Lama supporters who are waiting to receive these teachings on compassion attack them.
Some started spitting at us, yelling at us.
Tibetan cultural heritage. Basically, I describe culture of peace.
Just tried to stop us from giving them to people.
People have the freedom to practice religion in whatever way they choose.
Everybody has the right to be free.
This ban that he's imposed on this practice is the thing that is harming Tibetan people.
Dividing our monastery and split our monks.
So we're asking the Dalai Lama, 1, to allow everyone who wishes to practice Dorje Shugden the freedom to do so. 2, to stop completely the discrimination against Shugden practitioners. 3, to allow all Shugden monks and nuns who have been expelled from the monasteries and nunneries and to receive the same material and spiritual rights as non-Shugden practitioners. And 4, to write to Tibetan communities throughout the world telling them that they should apply practically these 3 points. If the Dalai Lama does these 4 things, then our demonstrations are finished.
Ultimately, truth always remains stronger